Cellular manufacturing is a method used in production systems to improve efficiency, flexibility, and reduce waste. It involves organizing workstations into cells that are designed to handle a group of similar products or processes. Each cell functions as a mini production line, and workers or machines within the cell work together to produce a family of products. This report explains the concept of cellular manufacturing using the 5W1H framework: who, what, when, where, why, and how. What is cellular manufacturing? Cellular manufacturing is a production strategy that groups different machines, tools, and workstations into cells designed to handle a specific set of related tasks or products. The purpose of cellular manufacturing is to optimize the production process by reducing material handling time, minimizing delays, and improving communication among workers in the cell. Key features: a cell typically consists of workstations arranged nearby, each handling a specific function required to manufacture a group of similar products. Materials flow seamlessly within the cell, reducing the need for external movement, long travel distances, and downtime. Workers in a cell often perform multiple tasks and are trained to operate various machines or equipment within the cell, enhancing flexibility. The physical layout of the factory floor is designed around the grouping of machines and processes that handle similar products. Who uses cellular manufacturing? Manufacturers. Companies across a wide range of industries use cellular manufacturing to improve production efficiency and product quality. Lean manufacturing practitioners. Cellular manufacturing is a core component of lean manufacturing principles, where the focus is on waste reduction and continuous improvement. Production managers and supervisors. These individuals design and oversee cellular manufacturing systems, ensuring that the cells are well organized and operate efficiently. Operators and workers. Employees who work within the cells are often multi-skilled and play a critical role in the success of the cellular manufacturing system. When is cellular manufacturing used? Cellular manufacturing is particularly beneficial in situations where product variety is high but production volumes are relatively low to medium. It is most commonly used in custom and small batch production. Cellular manufacturing is ideal for manufacturers that produce small to medium batches of various products with different configurations. Industries with complex or varied products. Manufacturers that produce a variety of parts or products, such as automotive parts, consumer electronics, or medical devices, benefit from the flexibility offered by cellular manufacturing. Lean transformation efforts. Cellular manufacturing is often introduced during a lean transformation or when a company decides to improve operational efficiency, reduce waste, and improve lead times. When flexibility is required. Cellular manufacturing is effective when there is a need to quickly adapt to changes in production volumes or product types. Where is cellular manufacturing used? Automotive manufacturers often use cellular manufacturing to produce various car parts that require different processes but share some common steps or characteristics. It is used in the electronics industry to produce components such as circuit boards, where the same processes are used for multiple product variants. In industries producing small consumer goods, cellular manufacturing helps manage the variety of products with different configurations and assembly processes. Manufacturers of medical devices benefit from cellular manufacturing because it allows for precise production of various device components with high accuracy and quality. Cellular manufacturing is common in facilities that produce small batches of custom products or those with frequent product changes. Why is cellular manufacturing important? By organizing machines and workstations in a way that minimizes unnecessary material handling, travel time, and waiting, cellular manufacturing helps increase production speed and efficiency. The flow of materials within a cell is streamlined, which leads to faster production cycles and shorter lead times. Cellular manufacturing allows for easy reconfiguration of production cells to accommodate different product types or adjustments in demand. With workers and machines grouped in cells, it is easier to maintain quality control, as workers are more familiar with the specific products they are producing and can detect defects earlier. By reducing waste and improving efficiency, cellular manufacturing leads to cost savings in material handling, labor, and inventory. A key focus of cellular manufacturing is to eliminate waste, including transportation waste, inventory waste, and unnecessary motion. How is cellular manufacturing implemented? 1. Before creating cells, manufacturers analyze the products being produced to group similar products together based on common processes or functions. 2. The layout of the manufacturing floor is designed to minimize movement and waste. Workstations are placed close to each other, often in a U-shape or circular pattern to facilitate smooth material flow. 3. Machines, tools, and equipment needed for each cell are set up within the designated area. 4. Workers are trained to perform multiple tasks within the cell. 5. Systems such as Kanban are used to manage the flow of materials between cells and ensure that parts are available just in time for production, avoiding excessive inventory buildup. 6. Once cellular manufacturing is in place, ongoing efforts such as Kaizen are used to optimize the cell's performance. 7. Data collection and performance monitoring are critical to ensuring that the cells remain efficient. In conclusion, cellular manufacturing is a powerful strategy for improving production efficiency, flexibility, and quality. By organizing workstations into cells that focus on groups of similar products, manufacturers can streamline processes, reduce waste, and shorten lead times. This approach is particularly useful in environments where there is a high variety of products, and the need for efficient production is critical. Cellular manufacturing is widely used across industries such as automotive, electronics, and medical device manufacturing, and is a key component of lean manufacturing systems aimed at improving overall operational performance. Through careful implementation and continuous improvement, cellular manufacturing helps organizations achieve higher productivity and better quality outcomes.
Use this quiz to assess your level of commitment and interest in learning about cellular manufacturing. By answering these questions, you will gauge your current understanding and dedication to mastering this efficient manufacturing strategy. 1. How familiar are you with the concept of cellular manufacturing? A. I have never heard of cellular manufacturing. B. I've heard of it but don't fully understand what it entails. C. I have a basic understanding of cellular manufacturing but haven't applied it. D. I am very familiar with cellular manufacturing and have implemented or studied it in depth. 2. How often do you seek out information or resources on cellular manufacturing? A. I don't actively seek out information on cellular manufacturing. B. I occasionally come across information about it but don't prioritize it. C. I regularly read articles or attend webinars on it to improve my knowledge. D. I am committed to staying up to date and actively look for resources on cellular manufacturing to deepen my understanding. 3. Have you ever worked in a manufacturing environment that uses cellular manufacturing? A. No, I have never worked in a cellular manufacturing environment. B. I've seen it in action but haven't directly worked with it. C. I've been involved in the implementation or operation of it in a small-scale setting. D. I have extensive experience in working with or managing cellular manufacturing processes. 4. How comfortable are you with applying cellular manufacturing principles in a production setting? A. I am not comfortable applying cellular manufacturing principles. B. I have an understanding of it but lack hands-on experience in applying it. C. I feel comfortable applying it in some situations but still have areas to improve. D. I am highly confident in applying it and consistently use it in practice. 5. How familiar are you with the key elements of cellular manufacturing, such as process grouping, U-shaped layouts, and multi-skilled workstations? A. I am not familiar with these elements of cellular manufacturing. B. I have heard of these concepts but have not explored them deeply. C. I understand these concepts and can explain their importance in cellular manufacturing. D. I am highly familiar with these elements and have used them in real-world applications. 6. How frequently do you review or analyze production processes for opportunities to implement cellular manufacturing? A. I rarely or never consider it reviewing production processes. B. I occasionally think about how it could fit into production processes. C. I regularly review processes and suggest it as a solution when appropriate. D. I consistently analyze and identify opportunities to implement it to improve efficiency and reduce waste. 7. How important do you believe cellular manufacturing is for improving efficiency and reducing waste in production environments? A. I don't believe it plays a significant role in improving efficiency or reducing waste. B. I see some value in it but don't fully understand its potential impact. C. I believe it is important and can make a significant difference in improving efficiency and reducing waste. D. I am convinced that it is essential for optimizing production, and I actively support its implementation to reduce waste and improve efficiency. 8. How committed are you to learning more about cellular manufacturing and improving your expertise in this area? A. I am not committed to learning more about cellular manufacturing. B. I may learn more about it if it becomes necessary but don't actively prioritize it. C. I am committed to learning more and gaining expertise in it to improve my production knowledge. D. I am highly committed to mastering it and continually seek out opportunities to deepen my expertise in this field. 9. Have you ever participated in training, workshops, or courses focused on cellular manufacturing or lean principles? A. No, I have never taken any training or courses related to it. B. I've heard of such training but have not participated in any. C. I have attended workshops or courses on cellular manufacturing or lean principles. D. I actively participate in training, workshops, or certification programs related to it. 10. How likely are you to share your knowledge of cellular manufacturing with others or encourage your colleagues to adopt it? A. I am unlikely to share my knowledge of cellular manufacturing with others. B. I might mention cellular manufacturing to others if asked, but I don't actively encourage its adoption. C. I actively share my knowledge of cellular manufacturing with colleagues and suggest its adoption when appropriate. D. I regularly mentor others in cellular manufacturing and actively encourage colleagues to adopt its principles for improved efficiency and waste reduction. Scoring guide. Mostly A's. Low commitment, you're just beginning to explore cellular manufacturing, and may need to invest more time in learning and gaining hands-on experience. Mostly B's. Moderate commitment, you have some basic knowledge and may occasionally consider cellular manufacturing but haven't yet prioritized it for deeper learning. Take steps to enhance your understanding. Mostly C's. High commitment, you understand cellular manufacturing and are committed to applying it in your work. You're taking steps to improve your knowledge and regularly seek out opportunities to implement cellular manufacturing in production environments. Mostly D's. Very high commitment, you are deeply committed to mastering cellular manufacturing and have likely implemented it successfully. You're an advocate for its benefits, and you're actively involved in mentoring others and leading initiatives to optimize production using cellular manufacturing. Next steps. By completing this quiz, you've gained insight into your current commitment level to learning about cellular manufacturing. Based on your results, consider setting a goal to explore it in more depth. Whether you're new to it or have experience with it, identifying areas for improvement can help you better contribute to process improvement and organizational success. Send your score to the email listed in the comments section and become part of our ecosystem for further future developments.